How's it going? Welcome to KraftingKars. Today we're going to be tackling the spark plugs on the Rabbit and hopefully knock that out real quick. I developed a check engine light misfire cylinder 3, so I went out to the store, bought some new spark plugs and a new coil pack. Just going to throw it all on there, and if the coil pack's good, I'll hang on to it just in case, but just going to knock it all out, get in there, knock it all out, hopefully fix the problem so I can get my daily driver back. Tag along.
Once again, tip, you're on 0.5. Once again, tip, you're on 0.5. Once again, tip.
Alright, so got quite a bit done. On this piece here though, ran into some issues when painting it pretty much right away. I don't know if you think it's gonna pop up on the camera, but it's like bubbling up and it's not sitting right on a few pieces here, and so I'm probably gonna have to sand that all down, wipe it down again, and start over on that piece. But that's not so bad, it's not the end of the world. And then here I did the spark plugs and one new coil pack because I was throwing a misfire in cylinder 3, so got all new spark plugs in there. And here's what the old ones look like. They didn't look too bad, honestly. Yeah, not too bad. Gap was still pretty good, but anyways, so replaced them anyways. Got one new coil here. See that? One of the 5 is new, so I just gotta put the engine cover back on. or anything like that lit up. There is a light bulb out, but I'm not too worried about that. Otherwise, yeah. So, like I said, I just ended up throwing everything in there. The tabs are kind of a pain in the butt, but once you figure them out, you just got to push back on them. Then they pop right off. A lot of them were really brittle for the actual plugs that go right onto the coil packs. So 2 of them broke, but they still snap on. You just lose the actual tab that you can grab with your thumb. So I ended up having to use a pair of pliers in order to push that tab down. But other than that, it went pretty smooth. Took the intake off, all the plastics and stuff like that, pulled all that off, and then just went through, popped off all the plugs for the coils and pulled them all right on out. In theory, I bet you could probably pull all the coils out while they're still plugged in to the plugs. The closest one to the wire loom would probably be a pain in the butt, but anyways, busted them all out, went really good, and I got my car back. So that's one project done. I'd say spark plugs were a success. I got my car back. It runs good, runs great, no stutter anymore. And on to the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thank you very much, guys.